welcome to Zadar.
After Split, we are showing you one more beautiful Croatian coastline city.
We're in front of the church of St. Donat. This is the landmark of Zadar and it's built in 9th century. With its Roman ruins and white sand beaches, Zadar is one of the most unique places along Croatia's Dalmatian coast.
Restaurants in Zadar are on a higher end than many other Croatian places, but are still cheaper than in Dubrovnik. One more notice for everybody: you can't go wrong with food in Croatia. So wherever you go and whatever you eat, you will get wonderful food.
Zadar is not too crowded and have two unique new attractions: the sound and light spectacle of the sea organ and the sun salutation, where you can also enjoy in amazing sunsets. The sea organ is an architectural sound art and musical instrument which plays music by way of sea waves, and they are located underneath these large marble steps. Only 20 minutes from Zadar you can find this beautiful sandy beach in Nin. It's called Healing Sand. is the oldest Croatian royal city with just over 1,000 people and is known for the smallest cathedral in the world, as well as one of the most beautiful beaches. This is the remains of the biggest Roman temple on the Adriatic Sea from the 1st century.
Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like our video, and goodbye from Zadar.
Bye!